day 5 of our vacation and our parks are over, but we are going to go to some Disney Springs and kind of enjoy the weekend with some resorts. It is 12:30 p.m. and so it's just past noon. We just ate some lunch over at Riverside. We walked over there and it was really good. I had some pasta with some shrimp. Carson had like a foot-long hot dog and with pulled pork, and that was really amazing. The hot dogs are like really huge here too. Dad had a sandwich. I don't really know what kind of sandwich he had. And then Mom had another kind of sandwich. I think these are like turkey sandwich or whatever. And so those are really cool and we really like those. So we're gonna go do some laundry. We gotta get some laundry done for our trip. And then we're gonna head out to Disney Springs and we look at some resorts. And we should have a good time today, hopefully. It's really nice outside even though I'm wearing a sweatshirt. I'm probably gonna take it off because it's ridiculously hot, but should be fun. So let's get started for today. Alright, so for me, dinner was a success. I had a barbecue burger and I loved it. Ate every bit of it. Carson liked his chicken quesadilla. Mom and them didn't really like theirs as much, but we're going to go somewhere else and get some cupcakes, I think. Maybe the Coca Cola. So, but they were still good and I liked it. It was like P37 was what it was called. I forget, like Paradisso or Paradissa or something like that. So it wasn't too bad, I guess. It could have been a little bit better, but it wasn't too bad overall. So I think now we're just going to try to go get a little bit something else, maybe shop a little bit, and kind of look around now that it's getting dark outside. Mom wanted to make mention too on hers. She got like a Southwest chicken salad or something, and it was like in a tortilla shell. And so it was kind of like what you get at Taco Mayo. But anyways, instead of that, it was just like a bowl full of lettuce. And so it had like 6 pieces of chicken. And so she said that that's something not to get here. So she wanted to make mention of that. But it is freezing cold out here. We're on our way back from Disney Springs and it was actually cold for the first time we've ever been in Florida. But it was still a good day, but we definitely had to come back a little early, and because we had to get some desserts. Carson, where's your dessert?
Right here.
You got some kind of like
Gummy worm
cupcake.
Yeah.
Think it'd be good?
Delicious.
Okay. Well, me and Mom didn't find anything, so we're gonna go back to the resort. We're gonna try to find some dessert there. I almost wanted to do like arcade though. It looked like it was gonna be pretty fun to do like arcade because they have a huge arcade in Riverside. But I'm like, I like said that whole sentence and forgot to breathe. Like, through. But anyways, they have a lot of stuff at Riverside that we really like. So we're gonna try to go to our resort, even though Riverside has a lot. But we're still gonna go back to ours and try to find something. So hopefully we have success there when we go. So really excited about from Disney Springs today is the
Gummy worms are good. This gummy worms good, bro. Woo! Ready for salt,
Okay. So anyways, this is what I'm excited from Disney Springs today is the Coca Cola Orlando watch. I thought you said you were done.
Damn, you gotta stop the video to reset it.
No, I can keep it going.
Thanks, no, bro. Turn it off and reset it.
No, this is gonna stay just like this. And as we were walking out of the Coca Cola Museum, I found this watch, only $11. So that was awesome. And when we were walking out of the store, Dad happened to find $10 on the ground. So it was something that was only $1 for me. Right, dessert before dinner. All right, everybody, that's it for today. We're gonna eat and we're gonna go to bed. But we do have one question for you: is the best place to eat at Disney Springs? Because we have been to Disney Springs, we cannot find a good place to eat. So if you guys know of a good place to eat at Disney Springs, comment down below and let us know, please, so that we can find a good place to eat at Disney Springs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.